Businesses lose a staggering $1.8 trillion every year because of poor IT procurement decisions. That's $1.8 trillion wasted on software that doesn't fit, hardware that sits unused, and tech tools that only create more headaches. As Lambros Bowers, Vice President of NetOps Consulting, puts it, a focused IT procurement plan can mean the difference between fueling your business growth or burning through your budget. If you've ever bought technology only to realize later it doesn't integrate, isn't needed, or costs way more than expected, you're not alone. But it doesn't have to be this way. IT procurement is simply the process of identifying, sourcing, and purchasing technology that aligns with your business goals. Done right, it puts you in control of your budget, reduces risks, and ensures your team gets the tools they actually need. But here's where most businesses go wrong. They buy tech on impulse. They focus on trendy features instead of real needs, and they forget about long-term costs like upgrades, training, or maintenance. The solution? A clear, four-step procurement process. Start by assessing your needs, and that means talking to every department involved. Then, research vendors carefully and look beyond price. Negotiate smart, not just for lower costs, but for better contract terms, support, and flexibility. And finally, implement with a plan, train your team, and track results through KPIs like ROI, user adoption, and vendor performance. This process keeps your budget focused on solutions that drive results, not just the latest shiny object. Ready to stop wasting money on tech that doesn't deliver? You can read the full article now on our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access later.